Today I will be adding a safety chain to this diamond tennis bracelet. Materials you will need today are a bracelet with a clasp, 2 small jump rings, 3 inches of chain that matches your bracelet, a ball burr, pliers, easy or repair solder, a soldering pick, tweezers, snips, savings solution, flux, your soldering setup, whiteout, rubber wheels, polishing wheels, and an ultrasonic. The safety chain will be added to the side of the clasp that does not have a figure 8 safety clasp installed. I will ball burr a small divot for the jump rings to rest in. I will snip tiny pieces of repair solder and coat them in flux. I will hold the jump ring in my tweezers and place it on the solder that I previously flowed. I will now heat both the solder and jump ring to get them to solder together. I will thread one end of the chain onto each of the jump rings and close them. I will take a very fine paintbrush and apply whiteout to the solder seam below the jump ring. I can now clean up any excess solder with my rubber wheels. Safety chains are a necessary addition to any high-value bracelet for added security.